yet. Yeah. So it's real red. I don't know if that Maserati's for sale or not. You hide these things. They're very interesting on every one of these highways. I've seen creepers growing, trees growing everywhere. Nice and green. Got plenty of greenery going on. It's a good thing, isn't it? Oh, I reckon that's a good thing. Now these, not these scooters, these are privately owned, but I've seen some. It looks like you can hire them because I've seen people park them up. I don't know how to go about it. They might get me around. Anyway, I'm on foot and I'm going to some expo park. The guy who's a translator told me to go there and have a look. So off we go, 40-minute walk. So it says 2.4k, that won't be a 40-minute walk. Knocking that over in about 25 minutes, I reckon. Anyway, yeah, we're walking under the bridge with good use of the area. 21 degrees. People are still rugged up, but I feel alright in the t-shirt. Oh yeah. Strange, isn't it? Strong. Anyway, all good. Cheerio. Alright. There are a lot of tread links here. I don't know how it works. Pick up a molly. I wouldn't mind a blue molly. I don't know how to hide the thing.